talk a little bit about absolute and relative path names now. It's important to distinguish between the two of them to figure out how to get from some place to another. I mentioned previously that cd ... will move to the parent directory. That's relative. So, for instance, like when I was in this holding area directory, I typed cd ... it went into the stuff directory. When I was in the stuff directory, I typed the same command, and it moved out to my home directory. So that means relative. Absolute would be something like cd ... stuff, spell it right, and that'll move me to this stuff directory. It doesn't matter what directory I'm in. Let's go all the way back. Whenever I type, no matter where I am, cd ... stuff, it'll always bring me to the home directory under stuff. So that's what an absolute directory is. It's always going to bring you to the same place. A relative directory is based on where you're at. You see, all these cd ... brought me to different directories. That would be a relative. The easy way to tell between a absolute and a relative is look at the first character. If the first character is the tilde, the little squiggly thing, or a slash, you can tell it's an absolute directory. So for instance, I could type cd / home / staff / kurban / stuff, right? And it moved me into that same directory. Or I could type / holding area, and that'll move me into the holding area. It doesn't matter what directory I'm in. So, for instance, cd / brings me down to the root directory of the whole system, right? Directly. It doesn't matter where I was, it's going to move me directly there. And you can see that previously I'd done it using the relatives, all the ... And you can kind of combine some ... together. One quick shortcut, just cd by itself, will bring you to your home directory. See, the tilde is the home directory. So I can do cd ... That means go to the parent directory, and then the parent directory of that. And there's home. Or, let me go to my home directory. I can do cd ... students. And that'll bring me up from my directory. So this will bring me up to /home / staff. This will bring me to /home. And then this will bring me to /home students. So I'm in here, and we don't have permissions to look what's in there. But we can move around that way. So there's the difference between relative and absolute file names.